Before delivering filaments to customers, we package and check them as well. For good filaments, each must have about the same weight. Until now, you may ask, how is a good filament manufactured? First, the tungsten wire must be twisted evenly and tightly, which can affect the current and voltage during vacuum coating. Second, wire cutting. Your filament often breaks at the foot. The reason may be here. When forming the filaments, we can handmade them. We can also make automatically. But both require to calculate the precise distance of each coil during fabrication. At last, we bring our filaments to real vacuum metalization. Can you see the terrific AL surface? And we also examine the AL film's stability. Ye and other top 1 enterprises are our long-term customers.